Is your external component the AD Windows Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Localized Active Directory UI shim links. Before we walk through the AD Windows Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the AD Windows Library, a localized Windows interface library for specialized engineering or Active Directory (AD) integration tools. It facilitates the localized unmanaged communication between the host application and the Windows shell for localized directory service manifests. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Unlike Windows core files, AD Windows Library DLL belongs to the specialized localized Active Directory UI shim environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with AD Windows Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder: modifying AD Windows Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for AD Windows Library references. If you've regained access to AD Windows Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.